Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Today's recipe is a refreshing and easy 5-minute yogurt trifle. ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. Don't forget the bell icon. For the creamy base, we'll need hung curd, which is yogurt drained of all its water. Pour the yogurt in a large sieve or a muslin cloth. Leave it hanging for 1 hour. Put it in the fridge so that it doesn't get sour.
1 hour later.
It's time to assemble our trifle. Transfer the hung curd or yogurt in a large bowl. Add 250 ml of cream. If you're watching your calories or fresh cream is not available, you can use milk instead. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix, mix, mix. It should be thick and creamy. Now let's assemble. Here I have taken fruits cut into small pieces, dried fruits, and we'll need 2 types of rose syrup. I have taken homemade Kashmiri Gulab and Roafza. You can take any rose syrup which is easily available. In the glasses or bowls, pour the rose syrup mixture. Add the mixed fruit pieces. Here you can use mangoes, apples, bananas. Avoid using pineapple because it gives a bitter taste to the trifle. Now the yogurt and cream mixture. Top with more of the rose syrup. Garnish with dried fruits. Drizzle honey on top. The trifles are ready.